pour. Today we are going to try a Dutch pour. This is attempt number 2. I did one, the paint was too thin. Normally my problem is the paint is too thick. That one, the paint was way too thin. It's sort of self-destructed, so it's great. So we are going to play with this one and hope I got it a little better this time. So let me go through the colors. Our base coat, our black is our Artist Loft Flow Black, and our gold is a mixture of Decor, Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold and Rustoleum metallic accents in champagne. And then for our pour colors, I have just the straight Decor 24 karat gold. I have Decor gloss enamels in Festive green. You'll notice all the colors are pretty much green. I have Liquitex basics in Hooker's Green Hue Permanent. I have Arteza in pale green. I have Folk Art Color Shift in Emerald Flash. And I have Artist Loft in deep green. So those are our colors. We're going to get to layering here and see what happens. So we're going to start with the pale green, I think, because I want to put a lot more dark on the top on this one. Putting this deep green on top because I really want this to show. Whatever paint you put on top is going to show more than your paints on the bottom. So, and then we're going to put the gold on top. We're going to put the gold last, and we're going to put the gold towards the black side because I want to get some cells out in the black. And this is going to do that for me. Okay. Alrighty. Here goes try number 2. Get this. Let's get the hairdryer going and hope I have it right this time. Right there. Okay, we're going to have to do a little fixing here. But I am really happy. Oh, so much better than last time. So much better even from the start. Much more color. A little bit of black there is really annoying me, but oh, so much more what I wanted. I was very careful not to blow it too far. But part of the thing I did last time was I got it a little too thin, too far out. But I may blow some of it a little more out. Just get a little more cells. Alright, now, if I didn't mess this up, I think I may put a little more something right there because I just have that black popping through and I'm not really not liking that. Just put a little more something over top of that. Get a little blow. Let's see if we can get it to not be so black. That's a little better. Oh. Okay. I am loving this. This is so much better than the last attempt. We're gonna hope that it stays and doesn't do crazy things again. Alright, I'm gonna torch this real quick and then I will bring you down. I'm going to torch it and I'm going to clean up my edges a bit and then I'll bring you down to take a look because this is really beautiful. Hang in there a minute. Okay, I have torched, I have cleaned up my edges and let it sit a little bit and it's been reacting the whole time. So it's really cool. This is the one side. Sorry about the light glare. I'll turn those off in a minute and we'll try it without those. But look at the shine. Gold. And the greens are going to dry darker. They tend with the Floetrol, because it's white, to get a little lighter. Then they go back to their real tone when they dry. But I am really happy with try number 2 at this painting. So we're going to let it dry and see what happens. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Okay, we have the dried results on this one. This is a 24 by 30 and split canvas Dutch pour. And it is beautiful. I love how the lacing, the green on the gold, the beautiful cells and such that came up on the gold side. The person who I made it for is very happy. Can't wait till I can finish it off with some varnish. I can send it off to them. Loving how this all laced up over the gold here. So pretty. That is that one. And in a little while I'll be able to put a coat of varnish on it and it'll go to its new home. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave me a like or a comment. I appreciate your being here with me on my journey. Have a wonderful day.